Frustrated with the Newtonsoft-Json.dll missing from your system? It's a dependency issue I can fix. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and let's run a precise diagnostic. To kick off the Newtonsoft-Json walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Newtonsoft-Json, the global industry standard JSON serialization library for the .NET framework. It facilitates high-speed localized data parsing and serialization between C objects and JSON strings. Essential for localized web API communication and the management of application configuration files. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Because Newtonsoft-Json.dll is an embedded file used by Newtonsoft, it cannot be repaired by standard Windows tools, and you should download the latest version of the affected software to restore the missing library automatically. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Newtonsoft-Json, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Most individual downloads of Newtonsoft-Json.dll are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to Newtonsoft-Json and system efficiency. If your workstation is back online and Newtonsoft-Json is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.